Hello friends, welcome back. Today I'm going to be taking you on a fall house tour for 2018. Let's start on my porch. I have these pumpkins that I got from Michael's last year. This tall post that I can hang flags or decor from, I got from the DI for $8. This wreath, if I remember correctly, I got from a pharmacy that has this beautiful craft area in my town. Now let's move to my entryway. This sign here I got from the Dollar Tree. I just thought it was really cute. Has everything that I love about fall. These candles and this little acorn wreath I've had for years. I could not even tell you where I got them. This block H I found at the DI. This harvest pillow I've had forever. Next we're gonna go underneath my mirror down by my stairs. These candlesticks I got at the DI, and the DI again is like a Goodwill, and I think I got those for $1 each, and I just spray painted them white. Over by my TV stand, I've had this floral arrangement forever. And down at the bottom right now, all I have is this sign that says Harvest the Past. Over in the hallway, I have this curio cabinet that I've had forever that I received from my mother-in-law. And on top, I just have a pumpkin. And this is a picture of the Mount Timpanogos Temple. This is where Derek and I were married. Okay, let's move over to the fireplace here in the living room. I kept it very simple. A lot of these pumpkins I got from the Dollar Tree, and this year they have a lot of sparkly ones and a lot of metallic glass type ones. They're really pretty. Oh my goodness, I've had these leaves in a frame decor forever since Callie was little. The only thing that looks like Thanksgiving right now that's out are these two Native Americans, and they have special meaning to us. And I got them this year at Hobby Lobby for 40% off. And these two jars of wheat, I got at the Cracker Barrel last year, and I use them as a centerpiece on my kitchen table for Thanksgiving. Okay, over in the corner, I just have a pumpkin plate. I just changed out the spring flowers with these fall sprigs that I got at the Dollar Tree. We switched out this metal shelf from the entryway to here for the holidays. A lot of the pumpkins that you're going to see on the shelf I got from Michael's. The Grateful, Thankful, Blessed sign I got last year. The Hughes Party of Six sign is from Made by Jen. This cute little owl I got from the Dollar Tree this year. This table runner I've also had forever, and I just switched out the inside of this bird cage with acorns, a haystack, and a pumpkin. This candle warmer I got at, I believe, Walmart last year. Okay, over my sink we have two more hay bales, and those were from the Dollar Tree. And all of these pumpkins I want to say are from Joann's, except for the glass ones, which I think are from the Dollar Tree. This pumpkin wood sign I've had forever as well. I think it was a hand-me-down from my mother-in-law. It's the same as the one here on top of the refrigerator. And that pumpkin is from Michael's. Okay, over on my buffet table, I have this cute owl that's actually a salt and pepper shaker from the Dollar Tree this year. And more pumpkins from Walmart and the Dollar Tree. That light orange one in the back there, that Callie made in her ceramics class. Thank you so much for joining me on my fall house tour for this year. Stay tuned in November, because after Halloween, all this decor goes back up and it'll have Thanksgiving added in with it. Thanks so much for joining me. We'll see you soon. Bye.